15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Crest and 3 right opens and the crest, 40. Flat 2 left, 100. Care crest and the 4 right. And 1 left. Crest 4 right here and the 1 left. Muddle over crest and 3 right. 60. 3 right, 60. 1 left at the hedge. Keep her on. 300. Break before the 2 on the right hand side. Hang over the road. And so something square left. Drive it. 200. Square right and the 5 left. Square right and the 5 left. And 5 right. 5 left and 5 right. 40. 5 left up. 5 left up. Flat crest. And 2 left. It's flat. Good man. Flat crest. 2 left here and flat crest. Go. 250. Left and crest at the top. It's flat. 150 past the junction. 1 right. 100 crest. Unseen dip at the leaning pole. 16 the dip bridge. Crest jump. 450 in chicane. Right entry it's 4 bales. See the marker boards. And it's 550 up over bumps. 4 bales right entry. Good man. 550 up over bumps. Crest at top. So it's crest at top and then 80 and 1 left over crest. And then care crest and tight 3 left and slip at the poles. Here, 3 here now, tight. Slippy. 2 left, you can go on it. On down here, go now. 200 down, turn square left at the stop sign, drive it, 2nd gear, don't cut it. 400 out. Good man. 400, jump at the White House. 130 after, come back for a caution, short 4 right at the run. 130 after the jump, caution, short 4 right over crest, keep it neat. 200 after it. Short 4, caution here, keep it neat, 200. Crest, and crest at the grey wall, and jump bridge, 80 up. Crest, 200, jump at the white post, go 250. And 3 right over crest at the shed. 230 over bump, 3 right over crest at the shed, 230. Slow 2 right, don't cut up here. And chicane before the tree. Come back here, after this, come back here. Don't know what chicane, that's it, we're around. So it's 4 bales, and a jump on the way out, and a 2 right. Over crest jump. 3 right over crest jump, 200 over bumps. 1 right over dip. That's the way on down yet. Here, 170 over bumps and 1 left over crest jump here, as far as you can see.
1 left over
yep, keep her on, 150, pass the lay-by, good man. Crest jump here, and 2 left, tightens there, 3 left up. 60 left in the crest jump. Chicane here, 80, here. Good man. Crest and 2 right over crest. Crest and 2 right over crest. 100 over crest. 3 right over bump and 3 left kink. 60 down. Care 1 left of crest, only 60. 4 right past the lane and 3 left over crest. 2 right over crest. and 1 left, and 2 right. 100. Now back, come back. Oh, there's not no chicane here. Fast 3 right. Fast 3 right, come back. 2 left. 1 left. Crossing up here, 1 left. Tight 4 right, come back for this. 2 left, don't cut. Very long 1 left. Continues over crest. And 1 left, go. 300. 1 left, go, 300. Keep her on. And you have a sudden 5 left past the junction up here. Come back for it. 300 over bumps. Crest, go, 350. Crest at top. That's your chicane up there, yep. Right down to 3 bales. 200 over bumps. 200 over bumps. Crest, jump at the lane.
Oh, yeah, bastard. Murder long again.
Oh, well. You've new ones there. Crest, jump at the lane. It's 200 from the chicane.
What's this here?
Crest, jump at the lane now. 6 ended up. Chicane right into 3 bales. 6 ended up. Chicane right into 3 bales. 150. Right. Well, 4 right past the junction. 550 over bumps. Well held. Good man. 1 left over crest. Jump at the bottom.
What's this, dude?
550. 1 left over crest. Jump. Now it's 250 down the middle. You're going back for chicane down under the dip.
Yeah.
There's 1 left and then 250. Come back for chicane down under the dip.
Fuck, that's nasty ones.
Come back now, come back. There's 1 right over crest coming out, 200 over bumps. Crest jump. The 200 over bump and crest jump. 1 left. And 200 over bumps. Chicane down here at the yellow bush. Bump stops here, careful now. Oh fuck. Jesus, she's wrecked. Right, that's 100 then, fast 3 right at the house.
Fast 3 right here?
Yeah, fast 3 right. Just look out for the marker board now. Angie here now, keep it up. Angie,
red board.
back her off, that's it, yeah, here, sorry. That's you, good man sir. Woo.